Are you interested in pursuing a career in the financial sector, but you're unsure which roles are going to offer the best growth and success? The finance industry is full of exciting opportunities, and today I'm going to share the best finance roles that are going to help you build a successful and rewarding career. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, so let me tell you something. One of the top roles in finance is investment banking. Investment bankers help companies raise capital and work on mergers and acquisitions, okay? M&As, okay? This role offers high earning potential and a fast-paced, challenging environment. Another exciting option is the Financial Analyst, where you can analyze financial data, trends, and market conditions to help companies make smart investment decisions, all right? It's a great role for those who enjoy working with numbers and data, all right? Another one is financial planning, okay? Financial planning is another rewarding career path. Certified financial planners, CFPs, they work with individuals to help them achieve their financial goals, such as retirement planning and managing investments. So if you're interested in risk management, risk analyst is a great role, okay? You assess potential financial risks. You help businesses minimize losses. That's what that's for. Lastly, you got Chief Financial Officer, CFO, top leadership role in companies. They're responsible for overseeing all financial aspects. It requires a mix of strategic thinking and deep financial knowledge and offers great potential for career advancement, okay? So these roles offer incredible opportunities for growth and success in the financial sector. And if this little video helped you at all, leave me a like. I love you.